How deeply do you desire to be in the Hall of Fame?
Would you like it? Sure. I think I've been eligible for feels like forever. Pete Rose said something. Had they just put me in 30 years ago, no one would talk about me. Every year it goes up and I kind of get passed over. Would it be great to go in? I think it'd be great more for the organization. I'd never played the game. One time, I'd never once thought about making the Hall of Fame and playing. I was about winning the Stanley Cup. If I get that, that's a little icing on the cake. But it'd just be an opportunity to thank people.
When you're in the moment and you're playing, you're driving, you have a success or a failure, and you look forward to the next thing. I never savored the moment. And my induction into the Hall of Fame a couple of years ago, it really allowed me to reflect, kind of open my heart and open my mind to that. And what about the award? It was
Uh,
more about the reunion, and being with everybody.
and I'm sure you thanked a lot of people. They remember that. That's why, if I do get in, I'd love to be able to do that. That means something to me.
Come on, people. Put the man in the Hall.
I concur.